Hi, Jacqueline. Welcome to our show.
Hello. Hi.
In your last film, Murder 2, you were like our sexy, bold avatar.
Yeah.
And you've kind of toned down for this one. How was it?
Well, I think it was, a stroke of luck for me because Murder 2 did see me in a very, very bold kind of like look, and my character as well was very bold.
So you didn't miss Kisser Boy Imran Hashmi in this one?
Of course I miss him. He's one of my favorite co-stars to work with. He really is. He's very sweet, and I think I mentioned it to you guys before, but he has the most amazing sense of humor, on set.
Like the men have a lot of options, like they'll do an action and stunts. With women, you gotta be constantly glamorous and up that quotient.
Yes, that is a little bit unfortunate, but I think things are really changing. We've just had like Vidya Balan hit the scene, and like a hurricane, she has just kind of like exploded into this new thing for women. And
she's changed the word dirty for us.
Yeah,
right?
I feel really liberated when I talk about Vidya Balan, because she kind of has taught the industry a lesson. I feel, she's like, look, I'm an actor. And if my job is to actually perform and act for you. Be it dirty picture, be it kahani, be it whatever it is, I'm an actress and that's what I do. And she's doing it so well, she's pure talent, and I think for a lot of the actresses, she really stands up for us.
So would you ever like to do a dirty thing like her?
Dirty picture?
Yeah.
God, that is an unbelievable role for any actor. Any actor, I think that's an unbelievable role, and but I don't think anyone would have been able to pull it off except for Vidya.
Like just the other day, we were talking to Kareena, and she was saying we could be at par only when we are paid as much. Like you're constantly like backing a Biggie or backing a Khan, but you don't pay me as much as Salman Khan.
Yeah,
that's the day things will turn.
Yeah, and I think also Kareena is taking it to the next level. She is demanding a lot more. She is, but you have every right to. You've been around just as long, and you've, worked just as hard, and so why not?
But you haven't found a mentor for yourself, like a godfather?
No.
You need one?
I don't know. I think it would make things easier, but I don't know how long it would last in helping you. So from very early on in my career, I've never had one, so I don't see why I should have one now.
So is John the kind of boy you take home to daddy?
John definitely is. He is, I think, one of the perfect, I think a parent would be very, very happy to kind of see him as their in-law, their future son-in-law. He's just that way. He's so polite and gentleman-like, and he definitely is the perfect son-in-law.
Such a big star cast. There was never a moment of insecurity, like who's wearing what, how is she looking? There has to be some.
I don't know how they did it. I don't know how Sajid Nadiadwala did it. I don't know how Sajid Khan did it. But so many actors, okay? So much chance for insecurity or, feeling bad or being pushed aside or being ignored. Somehow, we were managed so well, and we were all given the right amount of attention. We were all treated well. We were always kind of looked after. That no one...
There was never the feeling that Aasin is bigger than the rest, or one is bigger than the other.
I always felt like Aasin was bigger. And I always treated Aasin as a senior, in terms of how many movies she's done, or just in terms of experience. Like, we always treated her like that. And I think actors also have to understand that, you have to give respect, to fellow actors.
Right.
Aasin as well, despite me being kind of like the one who's just kind of like entered the industry and stuff, she as well, she showed her respect in terms of, okay, you're my co-star, so I'll, be polite, I'll be cordial with you. But for me, it was more about giving respect to people like Akshay, giving respect to people like Aasin. I put her along those same ranks because she is a big star.
Jacqueline, for the longest time, people thought you're going to be like this, a part of the Bhatt camp, and then you apparently had a fallout with Mukesh Bhatt.
I wouldn't call it a fallout, honestly, because Mukesh Bhatt had made it very clear to me from the beginning that, if you ever feel uncomfortable about anything, you just have to tell me. And he always refers to me as Beta, and he always says, you're like a daughter to me. And, we have created such a great bond during Murder 2. I absolutely loved working with the Bhatts. And, they were fantastic producers. I'll never forget that. They gave me my first hit.
Right. Talk about Race to John, and you got the next it couple, huh?
I hope so. Yeah. He's fab to work with, honestly. I was really excited about working with him on Houseful 2 because we've known each other from before. And actually, we were supposed to do a movie even before Houseful 2 together. And that somehow didn't work out. The movie didn't happen, but you know, John always told me that, you know, that we'll definitely be paired together for a movie. And I don't think we could have asked for a better, you know, debut pairing than Houseful 2, because, you know, it's going to be, it's a lot of fun. You know, it's a great movie. And I think Race 2 sees us in a completely different avatar. So, yeah.
It's going to be glam all over again.
Yeah,
Super
Race is totally glamour, stylized, lots of action, you know, so it's kind of like bringing sexy back, I think.
Wow. You've done an item number in the past, and John has also done one. So who's a hotter? Who's a better item person? Item boy or girl?
I'd have to say John. I mean, honestly,
Really?
I just finished my interview with him, and I saw all the all the girls swooning after him, and I was like, okay, he's definitely hotter.
He's a hotter one.
Yeah, he's a hotter one.
Which is the Houseful film? By that I mean, which is a hit film from the recent times you like to be a part of?
A Houseful film? Okay, I would have to say Golmaal. I think had a lot of,
So you like the comedy bit, huh?
Yeah, comedy is always fun. I mean, everyone enjoys a good comedy.
You've been fairly guarded about your personal life.
Yes, very guarded.
Yeah. Like a training that you got before you started in the industry, that we cannot talk about your personal life.
It's not even that. It's not even that. It's just that, you know, even I think just with people in general, I feel a little bit, not odd, but I just feel like, okay, why is this person probing? You know, like
you're a public figure, so it, you know, it comes with the territory.
That's true.
Right?
It does come with the territory, and I understand that. And you know, I do sometimes feel bad that I can't be so open about things like that. But I think people also have to understand that there are different personalities in the industry, and there are people who are so comfortable talking about everything that they've done, and you know, having a camera in their face. But you know, a lot of people give me grief about this, but I'm someone who is not very PR hungry.
You're not very PR hungry.
I'm not. I can hear my, you know,
but
people
come on,
laughing.
you know, as people think that you're a part of the Sajid Khan, Farah Khan camp, is that true?
I've done one movie with them, so how can I be part of that camp? People thought I was part of the Bhatt camp.
Yeah.
People like to slot you, I think. You just have to make sure that you don't slot yourself.
Okay, we'll do some dirty dozen questions, okay?
Love.
What is the sexiest thing with John?
Sexiest thing is his intellect. He's very intelligent.
What was abs? That can't be missed.
Abs anyone can make, but I think an intelligent person, you know, is rare to find.
Okay, John without a shirt or John with his trademark yellow trunks?
I think John can make a rice sack look sexy, so it doesn't matter. Put him in anything.
No, one of the two.
Tracks.
You mean the trunks, the yellow trunks?
Yes, yellow trunks.
Great. The dirtiest comment you've heard about yourself?
The dirtiest comment?
Yeah.
That I'm on remote control.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought it would be the RGV's high comment, which I remember really offended you, right?
Yeah, that was funny, but I think when it comes down to being dirty, it's, yeah, not such nice things. Like, at least that was a compliment. He complimented my thighs.
Yeah. Okay, your dirtiest date ever?
Dirtiest date?
Yeah.
I don't think I've...
That you felt like just walking out?
No, that's never happened. It's never happened. Yeah.
One of all the cool guys.
Because, you know, the thing is, I've never dated a person and then started going out. You know, I've never been like, okay, today I'm dating this guy, I'm going on a date with this guy. It's more like I've kind of known the person, I've got into a relationship, and then you kind of date. So you can't have a bad date after that, you know, because everything would be good.
The number of guys dated reached a dozen?
No.
Not yet?
No.
Far off that mark?
Very far, actually.
Your dirtiest habit?
My dirtiest habit? My mom would probably answer this. I can be a little bit messy. The thing is, I'm messy when my parents are around, because I think...
They just pamper you.
Yeah, and they pick up after me, so especially my mom. So, but when I'm on my own, and it's really good to live on your own. I mean, for me, I pick up after myself. I keep a really clean house, a really clean kitchen. But yeah, I think my mom, she picks up after me, so she probably see that's a dirty habit that I have.
Who would let you get dirty with? John, Akshay, Hrithik, Saif?
I think, you know, having worked with John, having known John out of the other, you know, three, I'd have to say John.
Oh, sorry. And how would that be?
I don't know, actually.
I really would, that's
I was
more
thinking,
important.
like, how would that happen? I'm trying to picture
exactly. Yeah, that's interesting.
I can't. Because John is John. We have, like, a good laugh. I think we're that way very platonic. So,
oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah, so I think...
record.
Yeah, I think he knows this. So, I mean, from day one, it's always been very, like, you know, I don't know. I think when it comes to me, for some weird reason, a lot of guys treat me like a boy, like a guy. And I've had that relationship with Ritesh. I've had that relationship with Imran, and I have it with John. I just become very easy to talk to. You know, I am not one of the girls.
But not easy to get dirty with.
Yeah. I'm choosy.
Okay, if Houseful runs to Houseful theatres, how would you celebrate?
I want to celebrate with my cast and crew. I want to celebrate with all of them, and I'm so glad that, you know, we're doing the premiere over here, and I'm really looking forward to that, because I know once we get the numbers rolling in, and you know, we're all very confident about the movie, and I can't wait to be with all of them to celebrate the success.
Wow, that's great, and let's hope that happens, and wish you a lot of luck.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.